Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We're here at Derand Motorsport. We just finished doing this beautiful 2018 Audi A4. We just put a remote starter in it. So we're going to get it to start here with the factory key fob by pushing the lock button 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and the car will start up. It takes about 10 seconds for it to come on. The lights will run for approximately 15 minutes and the car will shut off all by itself. If you want to shut the car off with the factory remote, if somebody gave you a phone call and you want it to run for no reason, you push it again 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and the car will shut off all by itself. Let's say you want to use your cell phone, because we put a cell phone starter also in this 2018 Audi A4, and you just hit the start button by the blue. Okay, we just pushed it and we just shut it off. Okay, and it'll take a few minutes to come on. We just hit the blue button. It'll go blue to start, then it goes green saying that it received a signal, and the car will start. It takes about 10 seconds. And now the car just started with the phone remote. Let's say the car will run, you want to shut it off in a little while. We'll show you here where the engine is. It gives you 11 degrees in the cabin, and it's running for 14 minutes and 51 seconds. If you want to shut it off, you push the stop button, the car will shut off. It takes about 10 seconds. And the button will also go green to tell you to shut off, and the engine will go off. If you want to lock your car, you push the lock, it locks the car. If you want to unlock it, you push unlock, and the car will take it. It takes a couple of seconds for it to connect. So the doors are locked. Now the doors will be unlocked, and there you go. This one here also, we can turn on the heaters and the rear defroster right from the app, just by pushing the options. So here we go. Here we got the options here. Heated seats turn on, and the heated seats will come on with the remote starter. And also, if you want the rear defroster to come on, you got the rear defroster to come on. So you got both here, all from your phone app. It's pretty cool. Start, stop, lock, unlock, all from your phone, and turn on your rear defroster and your heated seats. And it commands all that. If you want it, the light turns green, it runs. So here we go. If you want a remote starter with your key fob or your cell phone, give us a call here at Derand. Bye.